Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Dhruvi here. Okay guys, so today I am going to show you guys my collection of cap. Like I have really different types of caps and hats, whatever. Like I have multiple types and different styles, different types, and I love wearing cap because it gives a different look on your face. And when you're going out, and always remember that cap is always a part of your outfit and not for protection from heat and all those stuffs, because this kind of stylish caps never work for heat but they work for your outfit. Like they give an additional topping like cherry on a cake, additional topping to your outfit. Yeah, that was all. Okay, so let's go to the video. Okay, so first thing you are seeing is this cap, this jeans wala cap. This is with me since like more than 10 years and I'm just loving it. And I am a kind of person who always get this type of caps who have this less aage ka area, because you know what, because the ones with more front section really annoys me and it hides my full face, so it looks really bad. So this is something perfect for me. Yes, and this is in blue color and in jeans material, means it will suit on any of my outfit and literally it looks amazing on any of my outfit. Okay, next thing I want to tell is that I store all of my hats in this box. See, all are stored like really in a very bad manner, but this is the box and all the other hats I have outside. So yeah, we'll start one by one. We'll start with outside caps. Yeah, this is hat. If you must have seen my Goa vlog, you must have seen this hat. And this is how it looks, and it literally looks amazing on beach. Yes, this is the perfect hat. And the best thing, you know what, it has elastic, which simply means that your cap won't be blown away. Yeah. So this is how it looks, and it has a purple bow tie over here, and it's amazing. It is nice. Okay, the same thing like the hat. This is really nice. This is also kind of same, but it don't have elastic, first thing, and second thing, it is literally annoying because I folded and kept in my cupboard and it's not getting back to normal. So if you have any trick for this, do let me know. And it has a nice flower over here, so it is amazing, and the color is also nice, like blue and black. It always suits. Okay, this cap I have since like 15 years, maybe I was small, but yes, it works. Sometimes it literally is good for any of my blue outfit and it is looking nice. Yeah, you can even fold it and wear. Yes, in middle, like some of the other, like somewhere I wore this way, like folded my cap and wore. It is looking nice. Yeah, na? This is kind of short hat. Yeah. Okay, next is this. This is like something really one of my favorite. Like I used to really wear a lot when I used to drive. I don't know why, but it is, I used to feel it protects me from sun, so I used to wear a lot. But yeah, this is nice. Nowadays I don't wear, but this is something really favorite and it is really nice hat. Yeah. Next thing is I have this cap. I have bought this from, yeah, all the things I have bought from Malad or from roadside, like Malad Borivali or Kandivali roadside. Till now, yes, all are bought from there. And this is white cap which has Adidas written. And I have more three for my mom, dad and brother. So like twinning type, we all wear the same cap if we go out. And I just love this. Yeah, white always suits, right? Okay, next is this pink cap. I just love the color of this, and if you must have watched my Shein haul, you must have seen this cap. And yes, I have ordered this cap from Shein. Yes, this is really nice. It looks dope. Yeah. What do you guys think about it? Okay, we'll do one thing. Just let me know your favorite cap in the comment section after this video. Yeah. Now we'll open this box. Yeah. Okay, this cap. You must have seen this cap also in many of my vlogs, like maybe Karjat vlog. Yeah, this is in Karjat vlog. Yeah. And yeah, this cap which I showed first. This one you must have seen this in Alibag vlog, and this in Karjat vlog. I wear as my outfit and it is amazing. A, it has a really small front section. B, it has a elastic behind. Yeah. And C, it gives a trendy look and it fits my head really nice. So I just love this cap. And C or D, whatever, it has black and white color, so it suits all your outfit. Always remember, when you're going to buy cap, take something which suits all your outfit. Yeah. Okay, next is this. I haven't worn anytime. See, it has tag also. I got this from Forever 21 and see, it is really nice. And the material is also like really soft, like wool type. Yeah, I have wool caps also. I haven't got those things. Wool caps. I'll show those things some other day because they are inside. But you can see this because they are also really very much. So this cap is something recently I have bought, like maybe 2-3 months back, but this is something really very nice. Yeah, everything is nice, you know now. Okay. It also has elastic. It has black and pink combination, that is baby pink. It also suits it. It looks cute, you know. And this is something brand like gold medal switches and system. Yeah, this I got at Malad Masti. So if you must have seen my Malad Masti wala vlog, you must be knowing about this cap. They gave us for free, and free ka sab kuch chalta hai. Okay, this is in red color, so sometimes red may work. Okay, next is this. This is pink cap. This is also with elastic, but I find this really small on my head now. But I don't know, I have worn like couple of times, like maybe 1 or 2, but it is like okayish type. What do you guys think? It is in checks. Like I thought that since it is checks, it is elastic, it has small front section, it will look good on me, but it is looking really small on me. So yeah. Okay, next is this old cap. See, they don't even have velcro. They have this something other thing, and I have worn this a lot. Like सबसे पहले I used to have this cap only. So like I don't even know how it is looking now, but okay. See, this is also in jeans. Before I got this cap, I used to wear this cap as jeans. And yeah, now though, like I'm not wearing at all. This cap is really very special for me. It has MCMB, I don't know what does that mean, but you know what, there's a reason for this cap to be special, is that there is one of my friend who is really old friend, and he used to wear this cap a lot, like daily. Yes, he was obsessed with this cap, and he used to love this cap, and all of my friends used to love this cap, and everyone used to ask him ki mujhe de de for clicking photos, but he used to never give. But on my birthday, he asked me, what gift do you want? I didn't ask, I don't remember, but he gave me this cap. So that was the really big thing, and I just love this cap. This is really very special for me. Yeah. Okay, next I have is this. This cap is also really very old, maybe like 18 years old. Like I was really small when I used to wear this cap, but now also shit. It is looking nice. I thought it won't look nice, but yes, it is looking amazing. See, I used to do this way when I was small. Crazy, na? but see, it is has English red color, and it has flower thing over here like stick-ons, and it is looking nice, not that bad. Yeah, somewhere I can wear this for my outfit. Yeah, na. Okay, next thing is this red. This also when I was really small, but ठीक है, it's not fitting my head now. But yeah, this is the other cap. And next, yeah, this is also when I was really small. See, when I used to have really short hair, this is like a hairband wala cap. If you guys remember, if you're like of my age from 90s or something, then you must be knowing that तब के टाइम पे ना ऐसे hairband वाले caps आते थे. तो I don't even remember how to wear. Yeah. I don't know why even I have kept this cap, but yeah. Yeah, it was something like this, totally weird, but yeah, that's all, it's completed. Okay, let me get my hair done proper. Okay guys, that was all for today. That was my cap collection. If you want to see my other collection also, then do let me know in the comment section. Yeah, that was all for today. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Yeah, bye bye. See you tomorrow.